Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash's hardest levels. We'll start by understanding that even the toughest challenges can be broken down. Focus on learning the level's flow and identifying key sections. Consistent practice, especially in smaller segments, is crucial for building the necessary muscle memory. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies in mastering these demanding stages. Effective practice is key to overcoming Geometry Dash's most difficult levels. Start by using practice mode extensively, placing checkpoints right before the sections you struggle with most. This allows you to repeatedly attempt tricky parts without restarting the entire level. Focus on mastering each segment individually, then work on smoothly connecting them. Gradually increase your speed as your accuracy improves. A strong mindset is just as important as your skills. It's easy to get frustrated with challenging levels, but maintaining a positive attitude helps immensely. Take short breaks when you feel overwhelmed to clear your head. Consistent, focused practice, even for short periods, will lead to steady progress. Remember to celebrate every small achievement. These build momentum towards your ultimate goal. For those truly difficult levels, consider some advanced tips. Experiment with your game settings, like refresh rate, to find what feels best for you. Sometimes, levels have hidden routes or trick sections that can simplify a challenge. Watching expert players can reveal new strategies and timings you might not have considered. Ultimately, developing a strong internal rhythm will greatly enhance your precision and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.